guys, so I am filming with my laptop right now because when I filmed my original intro for this video, I realized that I have lip tint on my teeth, so I had to delete that, and this is just going to be my intro. So this video is going to be about how to remove your black hair dye, and I'm not sure if this is going to work for like dark brown, but it really works so easily with black hair. And a lot of people are scared of black if they accidentally color their hair really black. I've been there once and I had to use bleach, I had to use a blonde hair color, and I wish I knew this technique before so I didn't have to use bleach. I think I'm never going to use bleach if ever I dye my hair black again. So to make the story short, I dyed my hair black 2 days ago and it was not bad at all. Like, I like it, to be honest, but I just got bored with it after 2 days. I thought it was too dark for me. I didn't want to go blonde again. I just want to like lift the hair color like 2 times lighter. So I was researching online and I found this strategy or this technique on how to remove the black hair dye. This is not going to completely remove the black hair dye, but it's going to make a big difference. It's definitely going to make your hair lighter than just black. My hair is now lighter than 2 days ago. 2 days ago, even if I was under the sun, it was like completely jet black. I also need to mention that you need to use a nice thick conditioner after this procedure because it's going to dry out your hair a tiny bit. So if you dyed your hair black and you want to get rid of your hair dye and want to lighten it like 2 or 3 shades lighter with just vitamin C and shampoo, then just keep on watching. So here's my black hair 2 days ago, and I'm going to attempt to lighten it without bleach. Alright, so I have 2 things right here. I have the vitamin C tablets and the Head and Shoulders anti-dandruff shampoo. So I'm gonna use this. I heard that it's a lot more effective if you use a dandruff shampoo. I don't know why my glasses look wonky on camera, and this is going to be the main ingredient, which is the vitamin C. I just got this. I don't know what brand this is. Yeah, so I also have this one from Rhea. I bought 15 pieces and I hope it's enough. I'm just going to eyeball this. So I'm just going to put this inside a Ziploc bag and I'm just going to crush it until it's a powder texture. Alright, so here is my Ziploc bag. Here are the 15 tablets. And yeah. Okay. I don't know if this is enough, but if it's not enough, I'm just gonna do it again, since I think I'm gonna do this procedure twice or thrice until I'm happy with the color. So I'm just going to get all of the tablets here. Okay, so here they are. I'm just going to crush this and then I'll be right back. Now I'm going to add in the shampoo. I'm using the Head and Shoulders Apple Fresh one, and I think I added about 6 to 7 sachets of this. There isn't really much in one sachet, so I had to add a lot. And you can definitely use the shampoo in a bottle. It still depends on how long your hair or how short your hair is. If your hair is short, you might need to use less, but my hair is a bit long, so I had to use a couple of sachets. Actually, I saw a lot of videos about this and they use a lot. They use almost half of the bottle, and this is just the test actually if it's gonna work or not. So next time I'm just going to add more of both the vitamin C and the shampoo. As you can see, I started applying the mixture on the top of my head first, starting from the roots to tip. And once I'm done spreading the mixture all over the strand, I go ahead and put that strand between the palm of my hands so that I can massage the product into my hair, and this is going to make it more effective. And I do the exact same thing for the rest of my hair, and I work layer by layer. Just make sure to get thin strands so that you make sure that the hair is coated. And don't worry if you think that the mixture that you made is not enough. You can always dilute the mixture once it's on your hair. When it starts to dry, you can always add water and make it kind of foam up, which I did after this. You're gonna see in a bit. Now that I've finished applying all the mixture on my hair, now it's the perfect time to spray some water, and this is just going to dilute the mixture that has already dried up because it's been sitting on my hair for a few minutes now. I was trying to make a foam with it similar to a bubble hair color, but since I failed to do that, I think the mixture is just too dry. I had to do another method, which I'm going to show you guys after this clip. It's now more foamy. I added 1 sachet of the Head and Shoulders, just shampoo, nothing else. And then I added water on my hair, that's it. And I'm going to leave it for another maybe 30 minutes. So while waiting for the solution to take effect, you can just go ahead and watch your favorite movie or something. But as for me, I can't just sit and do nothing. So yeah. Alright, so here you can kind of see that my hair is no longer black. It looks like as if I used a brown hair color. I didn't bleach it or anything like that. So it really works. I'm happy to say that. And I was yesterday, even when I was outside, it's really black. But now it's a completely different color. I might go ahead and use like an ash brown, but not anytime soon, maybe like after a month. But yeah, so this is my hair color. It really works. I didn't have to bleach my hair. I was able to remove the black dye from my hair. So I'm really happy with the result. I thought it's not gonna work since I didn't use enough vitamin C, but it actually worked. If you want to lighten your hair, if you color your hair too dark or too black, then this is the solution. Here's the back. Alright, so that is it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys again next time. Bye!